Hello everybody and welcome to Solid Code. In this video we are going to see how to remove or hide these tooltips that we have right here, because in my case I need to record a video of this prototype and those tooltips make it a little bit difficult since they take position on the screen. So let's see how to hide them. So I'm going to pause the project first. And here we have the XR implementation. I created this project with the VR template that Unity provides. So immediately it created all of this. So what we need to do is go to first to the left hand control and then left controller. And what we are going to do is take a look at the affordances. And what we are going to do is for each of them we are going to hide the tooltip canvas. This is going to be the first step. We are going to uncheck all of them and let's see what happens. So as you can see, now I don't have the tooltips on the left controller, so I'm going to remove the other ones for the right controller. I go here to the right hand and I do the same. After that, this is what we have. So we don't have the canvas, the tooltip canvas now, but we have those curves, right? So let's see how to remove them. We cannot remove them, but we can hide them. So what we're going to do is select all the curves on every affordance, and what we're going to do is put a 0 in here, and we're going to do the same for the left controller. Put 0. And after that we don't have them anymore. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please subscribe and see you next time.